Hello everyone, I'm Tilly Douglas from Visual Sense Crafts, and I wanted to give you a little tip on how to practice your blows for the Sheleeart bloom techniques, because I need to practice the blow myself, because I've been using the turkey baster to blow through that, as you can see on my previous videos, but I wanted to practice the blow itself, not through the turkey baster. So what I've done is I've got my little turntable. You don't need a turntable, but I just done that for ease today. And I've cut up these little squares of greaseproof paper, or parchment paper, but you can do it on anything really, any paper. So what I've done is just cut up some squares of those, and I'm going to just practice my blow on these. So instead of putting it on tiles or canvases or things like that, and then you have to scrape them all off, if you just put I'm not going to go through my recipe today because I went through that on the previous video, so I'm just going to go and show you how I've been practicing the blow technique today. I might just take that little lid off there. So this is just the normal emulsion, walls and ceiling emulsion paint that I use. So I've just been putting a little pillow on, and I've just been using the paints that I've already got mixed up from previous canvases that I've been doing. Don't really need to pop the bubbles because we're not going to do anything with these other than maybe keep them and make jewellery out of them at a later date. So all I'm doing is putting two colours on. I'm just using up some little bits of paint that I've got left over, so you're just using these little bottles up. So I just put two colours on. Then I put my cell activator on the top. And then I practice the blow. So we're blowing straight down to start with. So excuse my head getting in the way. I'll just bring it over a little bit. We're blowing straight down. We want it to go down and out. Oh, tie your hair back. I've got my hair tied back. Sorry, I've got such a croaky throat this week. So I've got my hair tied back and I've got a headband on. And that's all I do, just practice the blow. So there's that one. And then you just let it do its thing and get all those cells opened up. So put that to one side, get your next one out. Put your emulsion on for your pillow. And then your colours. I just found it such a good way just to have a practice and without having to scrape all your tiles. Just scraping the dregs out of these bottles. But I didn't want to mix new paints, just wanted to use what I'd got. Cell activator on the top. And then blow. So down and then out. And there's that one. Put it to one side. You can tilt them a little bit, but not much. But I'm finding this is just such a good way to get this technique right. Now I know a lot of people can't blow because of health conditions, and they struggle with this part. So if you can't do this, then there are other options, the hairdryer or the turkey baster or various things that people have come up with to use. But for those that can blow, do blow. Cell activator on the top. So I'm not going to go through a lot of these. I'm just giving you the idea of what to do on a way to practice without getting in such a mess and having to scrape loads of paint off. So I hope that's been helpful for you. If you haven't already taken Shelley's course, it's a really good course to take, and there's a really good Facebook group to go along with it. So I've left a little 15% off voucher for you in the comments, in the description below this video. So make use of can't even talk. So make use of the discount code. You'll get a nice 15% off. Other than that, please subscribe, click the little bell notification to get notified when I bring out more videos, and feel free to share this, because I think this is going to help a lot of people, because you can do these in quick succession and not have to keep scraping all that paint off. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.